Good evening everyone. In this video, we are going to see about what are all the chemical hazards in our day-to-day life is going to affect us generally. These chemicals are generally used in day-to-day life in different mode. So just we are going to discuss through some slides what are all the hazardous nature and how to prevent them in our day-to-day life. Okay, first bisphenol A type compound. So bisphenol A type compound is a phenolate type compound that is also used in a different mode in regular life. So what are all the effects of BPA in our body? See, disrupting normal hormonal functions. These are some of the dangerous effects in our body by BPA products. It may be mixed in food products. We are intaking those food products and it affect our regular life slowly. Okay. We won't get immediate effect. Okay. That's why it is very serious that disrupting normal hormones and all it will affect. And reproductive system is very important. Reproductive systems we know very well about that. Very important in our in-depth analysis of gene also. And the brain nerves. Brain nerves very sensitive. It can affect our thought also. So because it is organic based compound. So and plant of festures and affects infants, even child, small babies, born babies, it will affect through mothers. So heart disease, cardiac effects will come and BP will increase. So and the diabetes will come through this BPA, through our food products. So how to avoid this? Plastic bottles we want to avoid. We are taking regular water and tea cups and tea, coffee and all. No, so we have to avoid plastics. So it will get some stains from the layer of the plastics. That's BPA stains, and we are slowly intaking through our body. And ensure the proper cleaning. We have to sterilizing the bottles are very important. And the high temperature bottles we want to avoid those high temperature bottles. And purchase non-toxic wooden and BPA free plastic bags. This is very important. Bisphenol free toys for children we want to see. They will put in the toys itself the chemical free. That products we have to use. Otherwise, it's very dangerous in our regular life. So these are some of the preventive measures we want to take for organic products, especially organic chemical products. Best example is phenol E. And another one compound we can see polychlorinated biphenyls (PCB). This structure also you can see that phenyl ring is there. So organic. So these are not very dangerous to our regular day-to-day life. Generally, organic products which is having phenyl ring synthesizing from the company, if you take those products, surely first affect in our body is nerves, brain nerves. That is very dangerous in our day-to-day life. So that's why people who are working in the companies, especially organic based companies, they are really getting affected through these kind of organic phenyl products. So these are some of the regular usage of PCB used in electrical heat transfer, etc. And what are the effects? Yes, it will produce cancer, immune effects will come, and neurological effects. Again, I am point out this very big issue. Neurology. Neuro means nerves, brain nerves from everywhere in our body. Finally, it will connect to our brain. So our thought process will get affect in before even 60 age also. So these are some of the dangerous effects through these phenyl rings. That's why phenyl ring substituent groups are very dangerous in our day-to-day life. Can affect even brain as well as it can affect in our cardiac heart diseases. So hormone effect, elevated blood pressure again is not stable. Right? Blood pressure won't be stable. So these are some of the effects. And serum triglycerides, serum effect will come, and cholesterol will add to the serum. These are some of the dangerous effects by PCB. How to avoid this? See, using PCB resistant gloves and protecting clothing, protecting mask you are using, we should use mask and we should use gloves. How to avoid these organic substances means initial preliminary effect is to avoid this through gloves and mask only. Then post clearly the locations where PCB stores. See, through government must also tell to the public that where it can be used and how we can avoid these dangerous products. Okay, and these will be containing materials such as old transformers, maintain adequate ventilation. Yes, transformers and all, and these are some of the adequate ventilation we need for this, and these are some of the preventive measures given by the government of India. As of course, in all over the world, the governments are giving these initiations, and we have to take these preventive measures initiatives. So, I'm concluding this topic with these two dangerous organic related products. And thanking for your listening.